In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Instinct 2X series watch. Garmin recommends you charge your watch for 2 hours before heading out on your adventure. First, press and hold the control button on the top left to power on your watch. Then use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Press the GPS button on the upper right to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code and tap the link. If you already have the Garmin Connect application, this link will direct you to the device search screen on your smartphone. For new customers, this link will direct you to install the Garmin Connect application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect app. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. The app will now begin searching for your device. Select Connect It when the app recognizes your watch. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code that you will need to confirm on the Garmin Connect app. Select Pair. Then follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and phone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. As you first start using the watch, helpful tips will display, enabling you to learn more about the watch. Before we get started, let's talk about the button overview of your new Instinct 2X. The Instinct 2X watch has 5 buttons. Each button can be pressed or held for different actions. The watch screen has a label for the press function inside of the screen. The outside bezel has the label for the hold function. The light control button is on the top left of the watch. While your watch is on, pressing this button will turn the backlight on or off. Holding this button will bring up the controls menu. The controls menu provides quick access to frequently used functions, such as Do Not Disturb mode, battery saver, and turning off the watch. To learn more about the controls menu, see our hotkeys and controls video. Let's move to the GPS button on the top right of the watch. Press the GPS button to view the activities and app list. We will cover the activity list later in the video. You can also press the GPS button to select on-screen options. Hold the GPS button to view GPS coordinates. Pressing the GPS button again will save your location. The Back Set button is on the bottom right of the watch. Holding this button will show the clock menu. Pressing the button will return you to the previous screen. The Down ABC button is on the bottom left of the watch. Press this button to scroll through the glance loop and menus. To learn more about your glance loop, see our Customizing the Watch Face and Widget Loop video. Use this button anytime you want to scroll down through a list of options on the watch. Hold this button to view the altimeter, barometer, and compass. This is also known as the ABC screen. The Up menu button is on the middle left side of the watch. Press this button to scroll through menus, such as the glance loop. Use this button anytime you want to scroll up through a list of options on the watch. Hold this button to view the menu. From the menu, you can customize the watch face, adjust settings, and pair wireless sensors. To get to your activity list, press the GPS button. If you have the Instinct 2X Tactical Edition, you will already have a preset list of activities that align with that edition. However, you can always scroll to the bottom of the list to add additional activities. For other Instinct 2X series watches, after you open the activities list, scroll through the list and select the activities you want by pressing the GPS button. Once you have finished selecting activities, scroll down and select Done. Now your customized activity list is complete. To open an activity, press the GPS button. And that's it. Your Garmin Instinct 2X series watch is now set up. To learn more about your Instinct, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.